Good morning, traders. I want to do a quick update on natural gas as I see the potential for that fifth wave to finally be in. So let's get to the chart. This is natural gas futures contract, January contract. This is a 2-hour chart. And in the last video, we were over here. And I said that had the potential to be the fifth wave. And so I wanted to see the reaction it got because from the October high, I see 1, 2, 3, and 4, and now they're in this fifth wave, and I think this is 1, 2, 3. This was a running flat for 4, and that's why I thought this move down that could have been the fifth wave. But all they did is they created a running flat. So now in the fifth wave, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the potential is there. We still don't know. We don't have any confirmation. This is a really key level, this 2752, because when I really drill into this last wave here, I see this as a ending diagonal. I think it's an ending diagonal. So it's going to be 1, that was 2, that was 3, that was 4, and that was 5. Now this could be a leading diagonal. And now this is all correction. And then they're still going to come down. So this is 1, that'd be 2, and then they'll come down for 3, 4, and a 5. So not until that 2752, you really don't have the confirmation. It's nice to finally see a big green candle going up, but there is the potential that this is just the start of another wave down. So once that 2752 breaks, then I really think that they're going to be making a much needed correction, because after this 5-wave move, you'll get some type of correction, and I think it should be coming up at least into the 2.9s and potentially into the low 3s. Now they could bring it up as high as they want, but it's all going to be correction, and then you still got more down. It's just going to be a matter of what type of pattern do they want to be taking this down in. If they make a really big correction here, then I think they'll be making an impulse, and you got a 1, 2, and then go down for 3, 4, and 5. If it's a really shallow correction and you only get into like 2.9 or 3, then I think they're going to be going down in a diagonal format. So, but first we need to see if they can break 2752, because if they break 2649 again, then they're extending this last wave again. So could be a lot more downside. I know several of you have voiced a lot of frustration with natural gas to me. Just hope that you guys are careful and not listening to YouTube land, people calling for $5 natural gas this winter. To me, I don't see that happening on the charts. I know a lot of people thought the diagonal, so if I switch over to the other chart, this diagonal was a leading diagonal, but the way I see it, that was the C wave, and now we're coming down to break this low. So I think this is all going to be 5 waves, going to get a correction. Just depends on what the pattern will be. Be nice to give a big correction up, and then you got like 1, 2, and then you get a 3, 4, and 5 to break that low. So just want to give that quick update as I think, well, now I'm starting to see it really sell off here. I thought maybe this 5 waves was in, but got to see if this low can hold, and if they can then go and break that 2752. All right, quick update. Hope it helps. See you guys in the next video.